Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to calculate the workplace exploitation scale using SPSS and PSPP. So, we have this new scale that's been developed called the Workplace Exploitation Scale. It is a 5 item scale that can measure workplace exploitation. I'll just show you the scale. So, these are the 5 items, and the scoring is like this: strongly agrees 4, agrees 3, neither agree nor disagrees 2, disagrees 1, and strongly disagree is 0. So, the maximum score someone can score is 20, and the minimum score possible is 0. And we also have the different levels of classifications, which is 0 to 5 is low, 6 to 10 is mild, 11 to 15 is moderate, and 16 to 20 is considered high. So let's go back to our data set. So I have created a data set that we can use. This is just a fictitious data set. It's not a real data set. So we have about 20 respondents, and they have filled this 5 item scale. So what we're going to basically do is we're going to calculate the total score first. For this, we need to go to transform, compute variable, and then we add all the items of the scale. These are the different items. So plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, and then we call it TOTWEX, which is total workplace exploitation. I'll label it like this. I'll call it total. I just call it total score. That would be easier to understand. So total score, and then click continue, and then I click OK. So as soon as I click OK, I get the total score. That is, I added all these 5 items together for these 20 respondents. So now what we can do is we can classify the responses, the total score, into the different levels. So the different levels are provided over here, as you can see. So 0 to 5 is low, 6 to 10 is mild, 11 to 15 is moderate, and 16 to 20 is high, as I said. So we go back. So for this, we go to transform, recode into different variables. We put the total score in, select it, and then start giving the new values. So 0 to 5 is considered low, so we'll recode it as 1. Okay, so that's add. So 0 to 5 is 1, and then we have 6 to 10, that will be 2. So the second level is 2. Now just to check, we'll go back to the total scoring to see how the other totals are done. So 6 to 10 is mild, 11 to 15 is moderate, and 16 to 20 is high. So we have two more classifications to 11 to 15 and 16 to 20. So the next one is going to be 11, and it's going to be 15 over here. So that will be 3. This is the moderate level. And then we have 16 to total of 20. That will be high. Okay. So we have all the different levels. Now we click continue. The variable name here will be LVL WEX, that is level of workplace exploitation. So here we can just call level of WEX. So that is level of workplace exploitation. Right. So we click change, and then we click OK. So now basically this total score has been reclassified into different levels. Now we'll go to the variable view again. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add the value labels. So 1 is called low, 2 is called mild, so 3 is called moderate, and then 4 is called high. So we're classifying it as low, mild, moderate, and high as mentioned in the scoring system, and then click OK. So now if you want to know how many respondents are experiencing low, low, mild, moderate, and high, we have to go to analyze. We go to descriptive statistics. We can go to descriptives. We can also, in fact, we'd rather go to frequencies, which would be a better option. And then we go to level of Wex, pull it in, then let's click OK. So here we have the output, and we can see that the majority of the respondents, that is 55% of the respondents, experience moderate level of workplace exploitation. This is followed by those who experience mild level of workplace exploitation, that is 30% of the respondents. And finally, we have 15% of the respondents experiencing high level of workplace exploitation. So there's no one in this category who's experiencing low level of workplace exploitation. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please do like and subscribe. I will leave the link of the scale in the description. The scale is free to use. There are no permissions required. However, please cite the article that the scale is associated with if you're doing any kind of research with it. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.